Hello friends, this is me Sai Suraj. In this video I would like to share you this concept which I used to do in my exams. Listen this video like a music so that you can recollect the answer quickly in your exams. So let's start our answers now. Business process reengineering (BPR) is defined as a fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of the process to achieve dramatic improvement. It involves change in structures and in processes within the business environment. The entire technology and human ordination process and dimensions may be changed in BPR. It allows efficient and effective changes in the manner in which the work is performed. BPR is also known as business process redesign, business process change management, and business process transformation. Business process management is defined as achievement of organization objectives through improvement, management, and control over essential business processes. Business process management enables the enterprises to assess the usefulness of business processes and helps them to achieve enterprises objectives at optimum cost. It refers to the closed loop iterative management of business process over their complete life cycle. It has evolved from the concepts such as BPR, Six Sigma, TQM, and process support technologies. Six Sigma. It employs quality management and statistical analysis of the process output by identifying and removing the cause of defectives and minimizing the variability in manufacturing and business processes. Each Six Sigma project carried out within an organization follow a definite sequence of steps and has a quantified value targets that are reduce process cycle time, reduce pollution, reduce cost, increase profits, increase customer satisfaction. It follows life cycle having phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Total quality management is a management mechanism designed to improve a product or process by engaging stakeholders and all members of an organization as well as customers and aiming at improving the quality of the product produced and process utilized. Total quality management ultimately aims at complete customer satisfaction through ongoing improvements. Total quality management is people-focused management system that aims at continuous increase in customer satisfaction at continuously lower real cost. Supply chain is responsible for preventing rather than detecting defects. Multiprocessing is the use of two or more central processing units with a single computer system to allocate tasks between them. Hardware virtualization is a platform virtualization, refers to the creation of virtual machines that act like a real computer with an operating system. Software executed on these virtual machines is separated from underlying hardware resources. Cloud computing is the use of various services such as software development platforms, servers, and software over internet, often referred to as cloud. Groupware is also known as teamware. Collaboration software is a software that allows collective and collaborative work of teams from different geographical locations on an online and real-time basis. Computer bus is a communication system that transfers the data between the components inside a computer or between the computers that covers all related hardware components and software including communication protocol. Memory controller is a digital circuit which manages the flow of data going to or from the main memory, separate chip, or integrated into another chip. Direct memory access is a feature of modern computer that allows certain hardware subsystems with a computer to access the system memory independently of central processing unit. Bluetooth is a wireless technology stands for exchanging of data over shortest distance up to 50 meters from fixed and mobile devices, creating personal area network with high level of security. Bluetooth is like a very low power short range radio signals which is secure from the moment they are sent. Few devices that utilize Bluetooth technology are mouse, printers, mobile phones, headsets, PDAs, desktop, laptop computers, digital cameras, and remotes. Through the use of mobile phones with Bluetooth enabled, we can send pics, videos, exchange business cards, and also transfer files to our PC. Is a popular wireless networking technology that uses the radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connections. Wi-Fi networks have limited range. A typical wireless access point might have a range of 32 meters. Wi-Fi can be less secure than wired connection because introducer does not need a physical connection. Wi-Fi network can be used to connect the electronic devices to each other, to the internet, and to wired network. Wi-Fi network works well for small businesses, providing connectivity between the sale people and floor staff and behind the screen finance and accounting department. Tablet is a computer, or simply tablet is one piece of general purpose computer containing a single panel. Its distinguished character is the use of touch screen as a input device. Tablet PCs have extremely portable. Some of the features: input method. Tablet relies solely on touch interface on the screen for all inputs. Size. Tablet has a size roughly of small pad of paper, weight less than of 1 kg. Battery life. Tablets are built for efficiency because of the low power requirement of their hardware components. Storage capacity. Most tablet comes with a configuration that are allows between 16 to 64 GBs of data. Performance. Most tablet PCs are based on extremely low powered, most suited for tasks like email, browsing, videos and audios. Software. Two major platforms are Android and iOS amongst the plenty of applications that are available. Wireless. Because the tablets by design are mobile phones, most of them having Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile connections. Smartphone is a mobile phone built on mobile operating system with more advanced computing capability connectivity than feature phone. This handheld device integrates the mobile phone capability with more common features of handheld computers or PDA. Smartphone allow the users to store information, send emails, install programs along with the use of a mobile in one device. Modern smartphone also include high resolution touchscreen and web browsers that display standard web pages as well as optimized sites. High-speed data access is provided by the Wi-Fi and mobile broadband. Touchpad is a pointing device featuring sensor, a specialized surface that can translate the motions and positions of user's finger to relative positions on screen. Touchscreen is a common feature of laptop computers, can also be found on PDA and some portable media players. Notebook is extremely lightweight personal computer that typically weigh less than 3 kg. These are small enough to fit easily in a briefcase. Notebook computer uses the flat panel technology to produce a lightweight and non-bulky display screen. Modern notebook computers are almost equivalent to the personal computers, having the same CPU, memory capacity and disk drives. Flash memory is a smaller and faster memory which stores copies of data from most frequently used main memory location so that the process registers can access it more rapidly than main memory. It is property of location of reference which allows improving substantially the effective memory access time in computer system. Virtual memory is an imaginary memory area supported by some operating system in conjunction with hardware. If computer lacks RAM, need to run a program or operation, operating system uses the virtual memory to compensate. Virtual memory combines the computer RAM with the temporary space on hard disk. When RAM runs low, memory moves data from RAM to a space called pagings file. Moving data from N to pagings file free up a RAM to complete its works. Allocation of hard disk to help RAM. Instruction set architecture is an abstract model of computer system that is seen by the machine language programmer, including instruction set, memory addresses, modes, process, registers, and addresses, and data formats. ISA is related to the programming of the computer, that is how the computer understands what each element its basic language means, what instructions are to be carried out, and in what order. Microarchitecture, it is also known as computer organization, is a lower level detailed description of the system that is sufficient for complete operations of all parts of computer system and how they are interconnected, interoperated in order to implement ISA. The microarchitecture can be seen as how the ISA does and what it does. The term typically includes the way in which these resources are organized as well as design techniques used in the process to reach the target cost and performance goals. The microarchitecture essentially forms a specification for logical implementation. If this video is really helpful to you, you can find the second part of this video. Thank you guys for listening this video. I'm signing off for today. Enjoy the reading.